Now let's take a look at your market moves, starting off on the JSE. Now we see local markets received a positive handover from Asia as the Nikkei reached another new record high. This, however, did not filter through to the JSE. As you can see, there's a mixed picture. This, of course, ahead of that all-imported local GDP print. With that, we see the all-share down 0.2%, Financial 15 taking the hardest knock, down close to 1%, Industrial 25 losing 0.25%, the Resource 10 trading in the opposite direction, increasing by close to 1%. Over in the U.S., markets pulled back after the S&P 500 and Nasdaq's record closing highs in the prior session. This, of course, as traders practiced caution ahead of those key jobs data and the Fed Chair Jerome Powell's congressional testimony. As you can see, it is red across the board. The S&P losing a tepid 0.08%, the Nasdaq down 0.33%, and the Dow losing 0.16%. Across the Atlantic now, European stocks are also starting the week on a subdued note as investors remain cautious as well ahead of the ECB's monetary policy meeting later this week. With that, we see the FTSE 100 losing 0.75%, the CAC 40 pretty much flat, down 0.04%, while the DAX has lost 0.27%. Moving over to the currency scene now. We start off with the local unit showing some strength at 19.02 against the dollar, just edging closer to that 18 Rand mark after it had rather weakened to 1930 some time last week. So we are seeing some strength on that front. The pound to the rand is at 24.14 and the euro to the rand is at 20.66. Let's take a look at some other currency pairs. The euro to the dollar is at 1.08, the pound to the dollar is at 1.26, and the dollar to the yen just above 150.